at this guy. So annoying. Look at him. He's like, yo, I don't even know you like that, yo. You good? It's this grandma over here. He's like, oh my god. Oh my god. Technically. Look at this. It's like, yo. Grandson, chill out, dude. She's got the energy though. She's like, Roxy's like 9 herself. Look at this. She's got energy for days. Look at this. This is grandma. They both do the same little spin. They just go in different directions. This is, what are we? Oh god. Oh, bro. Bro, she's 9, bro. She act like she's 2. She's like, yo, you think you're big or something? Yo, you think you're big? I'll take you out. Oh, that's what happens, bro. He's like, shit. She got me. Okay, I'm getting it. Ah, shit, damn, she does got me. Okay, I flipped her. I'm out. Oh my god. Oh. She's like, get down, fool. Bro, she's. That's what happens, bro. She's like, yo, grandma's pretty serious. I ain't gonna lie. Grandma's pretty serious. Even my brother's done this to me. Grandma is putting it down right now. She's like, yo, chill, grandma, shit. Now she gonna give you a roll? I don't think so. All right now. She's like, yo, I'll roll you again. Don't make me. Oh, Rox, you're a good girl. Oh, headbang. Dude, what did that feel like? Oops. She gave you another one. Just what it looks like playing with grandma. Oh my god, this guy, gee, bro, wow. Fool you are, bro. Fool.